Hi, today I want to show you some of the items you should receive if you order an Accufit fit test machine. First thing is you'll receive a particle generator, which is an ultrasonic humidifier, the unit itself, and the power supply. Plus you'll have this piece here, and you'll need to get a water bottle. Pretty much any water bottle will work, and there's a separate video and it shows you how this works, but this goes into the bottle, and basically that's how you get water into the humidifier. Along with it, you should have some reagent grade alcohol. If you're testing N95 respirators, you should have this probing tool as well as the probes and nuts, and they look like this. They install into an N95 mask to allow the unit to test it. So that's some of the items that should be ordered or come along with the Accufit. Let's look and see what's inside the case. So first you get this heavy duty case. Pop this open. We'll have some documentation on top, like a checklist. I can see also there's a flash drive with the manuals and the most current software. As well, there's some operating instructions inside. It's good to understand this and it basically reviews some of the operation. You have this is your alcohol wick in the chamber where the alcohol is stored. So this is this comes out. This is your wick. It's a kind of a quarter turn to take it out and quarter turn to lock it back in. You have your twin sampling tube that will be used to sample the respirator plus 2 HEPA filters. You've got the power supply. This may look slightly different because this one was recently opened. The power supply just plugs in like this, and it'll plug into the top of the unit when you're ready to use it. Let's put this aside for now. The unit itself. Then you've got this accessory bag here. Now, in here, you've got spare, it's like the felt, it's like the, basically these go inside the alcohol cartridge, or this part of it. If it's covered in the manual, but these are spare for basically the part inside here that sucks up the alcohol or absorbs the alcohol. You've got an Ethernet cable, which is really rarely used. The unit can talk from the Accufit to a computer using Ethernet, but so that's like a large telephone cable, it looks like, but that's the Ethernet cable. The USB cable looks like USB on one end, like you're used to, and then a square connector on the other side. It's also the same cable that's used on a lot of printers, so this is one we normally use. The Accufit can actually be connected to your computer by Wi-Fi as well, but again, USB is the normal way to do it, or the most popular. There is some grease, silicone grease, and that's for maintenance. They like putting it on the O-rings and the connectors to keep make sure it doesn't leak. And this is for, actually, when you're testing, you can put this around your neck, and the person being tested wear it. You can clip this onto the tube to keep it from moving around and pulling down on something like an N95. So this is just a quick overview of what you should receive. You may also, like if you're testing other respirators like half or full face or SCBA, you may also have ordered fit test adapters to go along with things, so they would be extra as well.